What it do? What it do? What it do? Man, I'm back with another video, man. We finna turn up today. Supposed to be cleaning my engine today. Oh, look at that right there, though. That's for sale. I believe that's for sale. I don't know if the rim's for sale, but I know the car for sale. It's about to go down now.
It is.
5.7 GM, y'all see it. Cleaning that buddy. That's clean. Look, that's clean.
This cover right here, we're gonna have to get a new one of them though.
Okay. Okay.
Cause they got that hole in the side over there. Once you get sensor out, you can't just leave that in there.
Okay. See, that's game right there. That's knowledge. I don't know. We done stripped that sucker. Look at that. Yeah, man, we done stripped this sucker, dude. Y'all know what it looked like when I bought it. Look, that's clean now, buddy. That engine lost a lot of weight, buddy. Shosh, I think I'm gonna end the video on this one. Like, comment, subscribe, and we out.